Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to next part of video in the Playwright for JavaScript series. Okay, so in the last video we saw about how to scroll down using the help of Playwright with JavaScript, and in this video we are going to see how to download a file with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. We already saw how to upload a file. Now we are going to see how to download a file. Okay, so that we are going to see now in this particular tutorial. Okay, so now right for this I'm going to create a new file, JavaScript file. Okay, download download 1 minute, download. Okay, file .js 1 minute .js. So I just added a new right file, download file .js. Okay, so let me go to the previous code. I'll just copy this code. Okay, the upload file code. I'll go and copy and I will paste here. Okay, so now we're not going to write upload, right? We are going to download it. I'll delete the unwanted lines there, the lines which we don't want now. Okay, so first I'm going to launch import the Chromium package from the Playwright into our class. Okay, now I'm just right, since we are going to launch the Chromium browser, I'm importing the Chromium right package now. Next one is I'm using async, right, the default async, await, right, which you have in the Playwright, that I'm using, so that it's waiting for each operation or task which you are going to do in the application. Okay, so now I'm using right, await chromium dot launch to launch the Chromium browser. That is unless stays false, it tells it is going to run in the foreground, not in the background. Okay, I'm just creating a new context, a new Chromium profile, right, context, so it's run separately and it does the task. Okay. Now I'm creating a new page, empty blank page in the right, the Chromium browser, the context which we created. Okay. Let me go and to the file upload video. Okay, upload website. Okay, Internet Hero app download. So let me go to this website and copy this URL. Let me paste. So since we are going to use download, so we need a download site. Okay, you can use any site for your right, your reference or for your testing purpose. Okay, now we need to download a file and save it and just print the downloaded file. That is what is the plan now. Okay, now the constant. Okay, and I'm going to use download. We already use promise all in the Windows OP. Remember, same thing we are going to use since we want to do multiple operations, right? I go for promise all. You want to do multiple operations parallelly, right? I'll go for promise. Okay, dot all. Okay, and then so right, I will enter my code here. Okay, so we want to write both click a event. Okay, and also wait for it. First wait for it and also click it. That's why I just use promise all. Okay, so it is used to do multiple things there. Okay, now let's go to page. First we need to wait for the page. Okay, page dot wait for event. Okay, and it's going to write download. Okay, so we are going to wait for download event. Okay, so now I'll give download. Okay, wait for an event, download that. Okay, comma. Okay, and we also need to click it. Okay, one. Okay, now we need to click it. Okay, for that I use page dot click. And what right download I'm going to click it, that we need to locate it. Okay, suppose right, I'm going to click the sample.pdf. Okay, I'll right click it, inspect it, right, take the href out of it. Okay, so it starts with the a tag. let me give a square bracket. Okay, then I will close the bracket also. Then I'm going to copy this href and the link, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, let me copy it. I'll go to notepad and I'll paste it. Then I'll copy this alone. Okay, I just copy it and I'll go to the right locator and I will paste it. Okay, now right, we have added href. Okay, that I'll give in single quotes. Okay, so it's going to click right the PDF there. Okay, and it's going to download it. Okay, so it's going to download the PDF and it's going to write page dot, okay, semicolon, and comma. Okay, page dot href. Okay, click a href download some text. Okay, okay, there should not be a semicolon here. Okay, now right, so what happens, it does two events. One is wait for and download, and wait for that particular locator and to download and to click it. So that's why we gave promise all here, and it's does both and stores in download. Okay, now we need to store it in a temporary path. Okay, constant path, okay, equal to await download. Okay, the download which we stored, download dot path. Okay, it's going to download the path in a temporary reference, and we are going to print it. Okay, console dot log. Okay, downloaded. Okay, temp path. Okay, then, okay, then I'm going to store the path. Okay, so the temporary path is downloaded and stored, and it's going to be printed here. Okay, now right, we right, now it's stored in a temporary path. Now if you want to keep it in a machine, right, await download. Okay, download dot save as. So we can give save as. Okay, and we can give store it in downloads. Okay, downloads slash my file dot pdf. Okay, so we can give save it as, we can rename it, right, we can save it as my file dot, since we are downloading a PDF file, I'm just give my file dot pdf. Okay, now let's print this also. I will copy and I'll paste here. Now I will type file save to. Okay, uh, so I'll give this one. I'll copy. Okay, okay, so file is saved to. Let's print it right after downloading. Make sure the file is sent to downloads to myfile.pdf. Okay, so now let's save this file. Okay, now let me run the code node. Okay, what's the file name? Download. I should give proper name here. Download file dot js. Okay, now let's run it. So it's launched a Chromium browser. It launched a download right application, and it clicked it, and you can see it's download in the browser, and it's saved. Okay, So this is how, right, we can download. First it's downloaded in an temporary folder. Okay, so it downloaded in a temporary folder, and then it downloaded to the desired right place where we gave it. Okay, so this is how, right, we can right, download files with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. So hope you learned both upload and file download also. We are going to add more videos shortly. We are going to go to page object model test runner, right, and right, integrating everything with the DevOps tools also. Okay, slowly we are moving to the advanced concepts. Till now we saw all the basic videos. Okay, hope you all watch the previous videos for the better understanding. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video.